In this case, we got infinities in both limits, so we need to split the integral up into two separate integrals. We can split the integral up at any point. So let's choose 0. Why 0? Because it will be convenient point for the evaluation process. So let me rewrite our integral to sum of two integrals. Will be from negative infinity to 0 of 3 minus t to 4 power dt plus integral from 0 to positive infinity of 3 minus t to 4th power dt. Now we have to solve these two integrals because we have infinity in the lower limit, so we need to convert the integral to a limit. Let me rewrite our first integral. We have 3 minus t to 4th power dt, and we will convert this to limit because we have t here, so I will put variable a goes to negative infinity we have in lower limits, and now we have indefinite integral from a to 0 of 3 minus t to 4th power dt. So this is equal, we have to copy limit, a goes to negative infinity. What else I should check? If our function is continuous. We have 3 minus t to 4 power is continuous function, so everything is okay. And now we have integral of difference, so will be different of integrals. So the integral of 3 with respect to t will be 3t, and integral of t to 4th power we have, so will be t to 5th power over 5. And we have definite integral from a to 0, so we have to plug limits from a to 0. So this is equal, we have limit a goes to negative infinity, and in brackets we will have to plug first upper limit, so 0. We have to replace t's by 0, so will be 3 times 0 minus 0 to 5th power over 5, and we have to subtract the lower limit. So now we have to plug a instead of t's. So we will have in parentheses 3 times a minus a to 5th power over 5. Close bracket. So this is equal, we have limit a goes to negative infinity. 3 times 0 is 0, 0 over 5 is 0, so we don't have to write what we have. Negative 3a only, and negative give me positive, so we have positive a to 5th power over 5. So now we will factorize a, the highest power is a to 5th power, so it will be limit as a goes to negative infinity, and we will have 8 before brackets, and in brackets we will have negative 3 over a to 4th power, of course, and we have plus 1 over 5. So this is equal, a goes to negative infinity. And in parentheses we will have 3 over very large number, because a goes to negative infinity. To 4th power will be positive number, very large number in denominator. 3 divided by very large number, it means this whole number goes to 0. and 0 plus 1 over fifth is 1 over fifth. And we have at the beginning a to fifth power, negative infinity. To fifth power, it will be still negative infinity. Times 1 over 5, it will be still negative very large number. So our limit goes to negative infinity. First integral is divergent. Let me write this. Because we didn't get finite number. Because we got that first integral is divergent, we don't have to do the second integral. Because the first is divergent, it means our original integral is divergent. This is my solution.